Get ready, something is coming. Whoa! It's the super apple! Red, crunchy, and oh so sweet.
Wow, look at that golden box. All hail the king! It's the mighty mango! The sweetest fruit in the whole world. Shh. What's in the yellow box?
Whoops! Slippery banana! Yellow, long, and lots of... It's spinning so fast! Slam dunk! Here comes Mr. Orange! So round, orange, and juicy! Pop! What's happening? It's a purple grape party! Catch them! Sweet, tiny, and so many grapes!
Twinkle, look at the pink box. Ooh, it's a sparkling strawberry. So pretty. Sweet, red, and full of magic.
Whoa! That box is huge! Thump! It's a giant watermelon! Big, green, and so cool!
That was so much fun! Did you like the fruits? For more magic surprises, see you next time!